Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be using Padlet this week because it's going to be a little bit different because you have to, one, make sure that you are signing up or logging into Padlet, or two, also you have to know how to upload your presentations to Padlet. So I'm going to show you both of those things. So first of all, you'll get your link for the Padlet off of Google Classroom, but when you go to that link, you are going to notice that it's going to say in the upper right-hand corner either sign up or log in. I always try log in first just to see if it'll work. So you'll click log in. If for some reason login doesn't work, you can do the same steps with sign up. But you'll sign up or log in with your Google account because that is going to link you through your school Google account, which you want to make sure you're signed in with so that I can give you your points. So you'll click on your name, and it may prompt you for your password. It may take you straight in. It kind of just depends. Now it's going to take you here to this screen, which is where you normally would go to create your own Padlets. You haven't done that yet. You need to go back to the link so that you actually can access the Padlet that you need to do the assignment. So for you guys, that would mean going back to Google Classroom in order to get this link again. I'm just going to refresh the link here. And you'll see once I refresh it, you'll notice that it changes over here because you no longer see login or sign up, but you do see my icon up here in the upper right-hand corner. So when you see that and you see that your image is there, then you know that you're successfully logged in. Plus, now when I go to comment someplace on the Padlet and I do my double click, you'll notice that it shows up with my name. So that's the other way that you know that you're logged in. So please make sure that you are logged in before you get started. For your title, you will put ambition presentation. And then you are welcome to write something here if you would like to, or if you want to just upload your assignment, you can do that too. So there are two ways I'm going to show you that you can do that. You're always going to go to these three little dots here no matter what in order to upload. But you have two options. The easy option is you do it by accessing the link. So that link comes from your presentation itself. So the way that we would access that is you'll have to have your presentation open in another tab. You come to your presentation, you click on this link up here, and you hit Control C to copy. And then you come back here to the Padlet, click on where it says link, hit Control V to paste, and then click Save. Now, one thing you'll notice is it's going to post like this. So it's not going to actually show your presentation here, but when somebody goes to click on the presentation, it will in fact take them to your presentation so that they can view it in this form. They could hit it in presentation mode, however they would like to view it if they want to click through your slides this way. I recommend that if you have GIFs on your presentation, like I have on mine, I would highly recommend linking this way because it'll allow people to be able to see those GIFs. Whereas the second way I'm going to show you does not allow for that. It will show them as just plain pictures instead of GIFs. So allowing people to have access to be able to actually view your full presentation like this is the best way for them to be able to have access to everything that you put into creating it. So this is option number one for how you can upload your presentation onto Padlet. So see again, you'll notice that you can see my GIFs. Now let me show you option number two. So option number two, we're going to go ahead and back out of that. So I'm going to pretend like I'm doing another post here. So same thing, I would title it Ambition Presentation, come to my three dots here, but this time I'm going to go upload a file from the computer. Now, in order to do that, that means I have to actually download my file first. So to download, I'm going to come back to my presentation. I'm going to click on where it says File, and then it's going to give me the option to download. And then I have to select from the options that are here. The best one to select is PDF. So you are going to select PDF document, and then it is going to download. You'll see on my computer, it shows down here where it's downloading. On a Chromebook, it's a little bit different, but it's going to download your document. So it's taking your Google Slides presentation and turning it into a PDF. So now that I have that downloaded, I'm going to go back to my Padlet. I'm going to click on this upload from a file, and then I'm going to pick a file. And I'm going to go to my downloads because that's where I downloaded this. and I'm going to look for right here, Digital Ambition Presentation, PDF. That's the one that I want. I'll select it. I will hit open, and then it is going to upload my presentation in PDF form and put it right there on the Padlet. Now, again, if I click on this and open it, I can still see the presentation. I'll be able to go through the slides and look at everything, but what you'll notice is different is the GIFs don't work. So kind of keep that in mind as you decide how you want to upload your presentation. Remember, you are going to be sharing these in class as well, but this is a chance for people to kind of get to look at them ahead of time and see the kind of things that you put on your presentation that they may not get a chance to look at in as much detail when you're presenting in class. So those are basically the two ways that you go about putting your presentation on Padlet. Also showed you how to make sure you are logged in to Padlet. Again, please make sure you're logged in before you upload your presentation. And then lastly, once your presentation is uploaded, then you'll be able to go other people's and comment on them. So remember to comment. You just click on underneath where it says add comment, and then you can type in your comments there. And again, ladies and gentlemen, please remember to keep those comments positive and professional at all times. I will be approving all comments before they get posted. So just be aware of that. If you don't see your comments post immediately, it's probably because I haven't approved them yet. Alrighty, hopefully this helps and you know what to do.